So guys, in this video, I'm going to show you another entry technique that you can add onto the one candlestick strategy to see yourself getting better entries. Now, this is not a new strategy. It's just another entry technique that you can add onto your arsenal for you to get better entries. So guys, without wasting time, if you're new here, leave a like on the video, subscribe, and let's get started. All right, so we are here on the GBP USD 30 minutes chart. And this strategy is very easy. I just want to show it to you so that you can be able to go back test it yourself. It's not a strategy on itself, but it can help you with entries for the one candlestick strategy or any other strategy that is based on day trading. So this is an indicator that you're seeing here with these boxes you're seeing here. This greenish box or gray box is the London session, and then the purple box is the New York session. Now, this session's indicator, most of you ask me what its name is. It is called Sessions by Lux Algo. Just look at this name right here on top, search for it on TradingView and you'll find it. Then you can use these settings if you like. So I'm just going to show you how this works. So what you want to do on the 30 minutes chart, just mark the first candle of the London session. So mark it high and mark it close like this on the 30 minutes chart, and then you want to go down to the 5-minute chart or 1-minute chart. If you want to really do high level scalping, use the 1-minute chart. Okay, if you want to do like super high level scalping, you can use the 1-minute chart. But for here, I just want to show it to you on the 5-minute chart because it works the same way even if you go on the 1-minute chart. So after you've done that on the 30 minutes chart, you've come down to the 5-minute chart. You want to wait for the market to break above or below. Okay, make sure the market breaks above or below before you look for entry confirmation. So let me zoom in that point so that we can see. You can see that in this area right here, the market broke above with that wick. Okay, the market broke above with that wick. So what we want to wait for is we want to wait for the market to go in the opposite direction and clear the liquidity that is down here. Okay, that is what we want to do. The essence is we want to wait for the market to take some liquidity below the opposite line. Like down here there's liquidity, so we want to wait for that liquidity to be taken, then we can ride the trend going up. So after this has happened, the market comes and closes below. Okay, closes below this line right here. Okay, after the market has closed below that line, you can count 5 candles or 4 candles. Actually, you can count 4 candles and then you wait for the next candle below here for you to look for entries. Okay, or you can just enter an aggressive entry, though counting 4 candles is better because 4 candles gives you some range for you to be able to trade with. Okay, so you can, if you count 4 candles, you will see 1 2 3 4 candles. That candle is above this line, so you don't consider it. You wait for another candle that closes below this line after you've counted 4 candles. 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 candles. This next candle closes below this line right here. Okay, so you can take your buy trade when you see the next candle that closes above this line. This is the candle, so you take your trade there and then you place your stop loss at the most recent low, which is this one, and then you target a 1 2 3 risk to reward. With this strategy, you're looking for 1 to 3 risk to reward ratio like this. Okay, that could be an entry for you to use also in combination with the one candlestick strategy. So let me just repeat. You want to draw your lines on the 30 minutes chart on the first candle of the London session 30 minutes chart. You come down to the 5-minute chart or 1-minute chart, and then you want to wait for a break above or below, whichever comes first. If the market breaks above the line to the top first, then your bias is going to be bullish for the day. Okay, then you wait for the market to go the opposite direction and clear liquidity on the opposite direction, but the candle that breaks the opposite line, count 4 candles, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, if the fourth candle is above that line that was broken, okay, you count the next candle that goes below that line. If that candle also closes above, you count the next until you find the candle that closes below this line. Okay, once that candle closes below this line, like this one here, okay, from this candle you want to wait for the next candle that closes above this line right here, the next bullish candle like this one here. That's where you enter your trade and target a 1 to 3 risk to reward. Okay, now I've already drawn a line on the next illustration for a bullish run. Remember that this is for a bullish market, but this can also work for a bearish market. This can give you even a very high risk to reward ratio. You can see it can go up to a 1 to 8. You can even pass a pro form challenge in one trade if you took it like this. Okay, but I don't want to assume that. I want to be more realistic so that you guys have realistic expectations as you're trading. Okay, so the next illustration here, I've already drawn this level. These two lines are from the 30-minute chart. So now we are on the 5-minute chart, and I'm waiting for the market to break above and then put back below this line. You can see here the market went and broke above this whole area. It's above that line. So here we are not taking any trades. What we are doing is we are waiting for the market to pull back down below this opposite line right here. You see this line? That's what we are waiting for. Market to pull back down below this line, to sweep liquidity below this line, and then we count 4 candles and get an entry. Okay, so let's look at that. So here the market pulls. Let me just zoom in so that you guys can see very clearly. So here we can see the market comes and breaks. This candle here is the candle that closes below this line. Okay, so from this candle we count 4 candles. Count 1, 2, 3, 4 candles. Okay, that long wick or that doji, this one here, okay, this one is the 4th candle after this one closed below. So you see 1, 2, 3, 4. That's the 4th candle, and it is below this line, so we can take a buy trade after that candle is closed. So we take a buy trade at the open of this next candle, and our stop loss is going to be very aggressive below that low, and we're targeting a 1 to 3 risk to reward ratio like this. Okay, so this is another technique that you can use to enter trades. Now, some people have been asking me, why is it that I don't share such trades with the members on Telegram? I don't share some of these trades because these trades are very quick. They are very quick, and some people on Telegram don't check the Telegram channel often. So when I send this kind of a trade or a signal like this one, they'll find it when it has already played out, or they'll find it when it is in the middle. So I don't see it important to share such kind of trades. I only share swing trades. So these strategies, these setups from strategies that are meant for day trading and scalping, I don't normally share those signals. I only share swing trading signals to allow members to be able to get entries. Okay, so guys, that is the strategy. The selling direction is just the opposite of this. If the market broke below this line first, then we'll look for sales. Okay, so guys, that's the strategy. I don't want to make the video too long. If you like such content, guys, leave a like on the video. Let this video go viral. Let it spread, and let every trader out there who's struggling get to find out about this. Thank you guys, and if you want to get VIP signals, contact me only using the WhatsApp number in the description of this video. And if you want to join the free Telegram, use the link in the description. Don't go and search my name on Telegram, you'll get scammed. Use only the links in the description to find the Telegram channel. Thank you guys. Until next time, peace and out.